Is it the right time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into the world of Alibaba. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 7, 2023. Now, we're excited to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on all our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments would be unfortunate. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Experience the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 16, 2023, our system has identified Alibaba as a sell candidate with a score of -2.83. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -8.57%. This means that on average, it has been losing -0.57% per day since being labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a falling trend, which may present a great opportunity for buyers. If the stock breaks the lower trend floor at $71.28, it could indicate an even stronger decline. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential -13.46% change in the next 3 months. This means that the stock could see a return between -14.71% and 0.461%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -15.54% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between -21.66% and 21.33%. In simpler terms, the stock could be valued between $56.66 and $87.76 after a year. Our latest update on Alibaba brings an important headline: Alibaba stock upgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, Thursday, December 7, 2023, the Alibaba stock price increased by 1.17%, moving from $71.49 to $72.33. Throughout the day, the stock had a 1.3% fluctuation, ranging from a low of $71.44 to a high of $72.37. It's worth noting that the stock has experienced a decline in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 8.4% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 12 million shares on the last day, with a total of 18 million shares being traded, representing an approximate value of $1.30 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal forthcoming changes in the next couple of days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $121.30, while the lowest price was $71.44. Currently, the price is 40.37%, or $48.97, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 77.35%, or $246.99, below the all-time high on October 27, 2020, when the price reached $319.32. Analyst ratings. On Friday, December 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley upgraded Alibaba with a buy grade but downgraded it later. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Benchmark gave Alibaba a buy grade but with a hold action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Mizuho Securities also gave Alibaba a buy grade but with a hold action. On Friday, November 17, 2023, Morgan Stanley assigned Alibaba an overweight grade but with a hold action. On Tuesday, October 10, 2023, Benchmark gave Alibaba a buy grade but with a hold action. Analysts have generally given Alibaba stock a buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book value. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral outlook. Let's take a look at the signals for Alibaba. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 1.17%. The indication is that it may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Keep a close eye on the stock. Additionally, some negative signals have also been identified, which could influence the near short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest sell signals, indicating a more negative forecast for the Alibaba stock. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. If there are any corrections upwards, the stock may face resistance at $73.25 and $80.03. However, a breakup above these levels will issue buy signals. It's important to note that there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Today, I'll share with you some interesting signals to consider. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands generated a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a buy 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a sell 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 51 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. When it comes to support levels, Alibaba has found solid support at $71.49. This is an important level to watch as it could present a buying opportunity. Typically, when a stock support level is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction, meaning the stock price may start to rise. Now let's talk about the risk involved in trading Alibaba. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This means that while there is some risk involved, it's not excessively high. Looking at the recent price movements, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved 93 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.3% change. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.74%. This gives us an idea of how much the stock price tends to fluctuate on a daily basis. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Alibaba, let's start with some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio may indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.86. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll dive into potential day trading levels for Alibaba. If the stock is on an upward trend, we can look at the first resistance level at $77.60. If you're not already invested in Alibaba, it might be wise to wait until this level is broken before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, let's explore the downside. Alibaba encounters its first support level at $71.49. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. We regret to inform you that our evaluation for this stock is negative and we have not set a stop loss. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Alibaba currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, changing it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Friday, December 8th, we predict that Alibaba will open with a decrease of $0.283 and begin trading at $72.05. Before we dive into the content, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. StockInvest.us is a valuable source of information, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we're sharing our current view on this stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to comment below. What's your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.